This is the next video in the unscripted topology tool tutorial videos. Just to give you an overview of what the tools do. This next tool we're going to look at is the extend tool. What the extend tool does is it extends the current height map, which will be a tile, and extends it with additional tiles. So for example here, I can load up tile 4000, which is going to be a top corner. Make sure I choose scale so that it scales it in correctly. Now here we've got a nice first tile that we're going to be using from our original source height map, which is split into 4 pieces. We're going to use the extend tool to put it back together. So now we click on the file spec button, select our next corner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select what we've got in there right now is the top left corner. I'm going to select the top right corner. So now I've just loaded the top right corner, and now you can see using these sliders we can specify the column and row for where this one is going to be located at. And this specific one is located, as I mentioned, on the top right. So now I'm going to paste that into place. We now have got a increased height map size, the size of our next tile. So now I'm going to go on to select the bottom left tile. Move it into place and paste that. Now we've got 3 of the 4 tiles done. We just want to choose our final tile and paste that in and hit clear to clear the buffer, all the clipboard and everything, clear its memory. And now you can see we've assembled our 4 tiles back into a single height map again. That's it for the extend tool.